Natural stone and stone veneer is used all over when it comes to construction.
When stone is installed correctly and it is on a building or in a landscape area, or it's a patio or a walkway or a fireplace or a backsplash or a shower, it all shows itself. You know, you don't have to show it off. It does it all by itself just by being there and, you know, and seeing the differences in the artwork that somebody has and the talents that they have installing it in different ways is really, really cool to see. To install stone, every mason, every landscaper or whoever's installing it and has the ability to install it or have learned how to install it, has their own style.
When you're purchasing a stone product, and the idea is you're going to do it once and not have to do it again. So finding that durable product, finding something that's going to last and maintain its beauty and consistency throughout is really important. This way you're doing it once, you're not going to have to do it again, and that investment's going to carry for a long period of time.
No matter what color, shape, or texture you're looking for, there's a product for you at Delgado Stone.
We have a number of different styles. There's not even a number you can actually put on it because of the various customized blends we can use. It really depends on the color profile that the customer or the client is going for, and then we try to make a match, and if not, we can customize and blend and mix colors to get really what the customer envisions at the end of the day.
We do things a little bit different. We're focused more on people, service, and quality, so it's very much making sure we understand the project and working with the customer from start to finish. We really like to understand what the application is, what they're trying to achieve with their project and the stone itself. As we understand it, it gives us the ability to work with them throughout and provide that level of service. So even though we're a wholesale manufacturer distributor, we're going to be with them throughout and we're going to stand behind our products, and that's really the culture that we've developed here.
There's so much waste in a lot of what's done to build. What I do with this waste is I actually send it off to a crushing company who we give it to. I don't charge, we load them for free, and we give the material away so they can repurpose this material by crushing it down and using it on roads and you know, on the homes, in the construction sites, or whatever uses they can use it for, rather than just push it off the side of the quarry or, you know, just throw it in a landfill somewhere.
Delgado Stone lives by their mission to lead by example and always provide the best customer experience.
Lead by example, it's not something we say. We're going to stand behind our products throughout. We're going to be with them from the start of the project right through the very end. And if there's something they need at any point, we're there for them.
If you're looking to update the front of your home or build a stone hardscape in the backyard, the right product is waiting for you at Delgado Stone. For more information, visit their website, delgadostone.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.